Hey, Mustang Rebuilder here. Days are getting shorter, it gets dark earlier. The Vic's back from the transmission shop. We test drove it. She runs good, runs hard. Bangs in second gear really good. So now, I'll show you what the Vic's now. What we're doing is, I'll tell you. The Vic's up on the lift in my shop. And what I'm doing here, we're starting to pull everything off. Headlights coming out. Front bumper, I found it's been repaired before. A crappy repair, who knows what the hell they put in it. I could repair it, but I started looking at the overall condition. I don't like it. You know, it's been hit hard, run hard, scraping on things underneath here. So I'm pulling the bumper. I'll order a new bumper. We're gonna pull, now what I'm doing is getting everything ready for paint. So I'm gonna change the color on the car so everything's coming out. Headlights, grill, bumpers, side molding, door handles will come off. The plastic trim will be coming off. So I'm gonna start taking her apart. Once she's apart, I'll show you in stages after I get everything down, but this lift really makes it easy. I was able to take out all these lower bolts, all the fender clips from just standing here. I've got a hip problem, guys. I'm going to be having surgery sometime in the near future, so no more on creepers at all. So anyway, starting on the rear, but I'm also going to tell you something. When you do something like this, it's very, very important. When you're taking apart a car to do a paint or, you know, working on door panels, and it's going to be a little while before you put her back together, this is what I tell you to do here. Look. You get these Ziploc bags, you know, at the Dollar Tree or whatever, and you write on them like I wrote here, front bumper. You take apart just the front bumper, you put all the clips and bolts of that, zip it up. Okay, same thing, then you go with the headlights. Everything that goes to the headlights, you zip it up. The grill, that way all your nuts and bolts are all gonna be in separate bags for whatever, it's compartmentalized what you're doing. The rear bumper have its own bolts. All the clips and everything for the molding, it'll be in one bag, everything. That way you can put it all in one container while you're working on a car. When you go back to assembling it, you're not looking at a coffee can going, oh shoes, where did this bolt go? Where did this clip go? I don't like doing that, okay? I did this a long time ago. I did a 56 Chevy. I used to do cars 30, 40 years ago. That was something I did called bag it and tag it, okay? Anyway, you're learning something new. Anyway, I'll show you after the car's apart. I'll continue this video when everything's off, or at least the major components are off, so you can see. I'm also ordering a rear spoiler for the car. That'll be coming in soon. I got to drill it and mount it before doing the paint, get the fit right. Car's pretty damn straight. And also, let me tell you something about this Vic. It's up here underneath the, look how clean this undercarriage is. Huh? There's no freaking rust in this car. And I'm not even in Arizona. Look, here's the cross members for the Tranny. No rust. No rust even on the damn bolts. Okay? Look here. Underneath here, the steering linkage. It's freaking, it looks like it's brand new. The only thing I did find out wrong with the front end is right here on the A-frames, the ball joints. Ball joints are still good, but the plastic around them is deteriorated. That means they're going to be changed, all right? Them and the sway bar bushings. But I'll do that sometime in between, okay? Or even afterwards, since I got the lift. It's easy. So this is a solid car. You know, I can tell it's been touched up and painted here and there, like most police cars have been. But body-wise, I don't see anything structural that's been damaged on this car. Never been on any heavy hits or anything. So far, so good. She runs that good. She goes down the road real well. And then I had the exhaust. I had the Flowmasters put on it. So it's not real loud or anything like that. I'm going to clean up the wells from the muffler shop. They just put that on like that. I'm not too happy with that, but I'll clean it up. You know, hell, it's on a lift. I can get to everything. Anyway. I'll follow up in a little bit after everything's down.